Today, we're making caramel chicken breast. Let's start by melting 125 grams of butter or margarine in our pot. Once the butter is hot, I'm adding 5 cups of flour and toasting it for about 1–2 minutes. We're toasting this up. As you can see, our flour has toasted up beautifully. Now I'm adding 5 cups of milk to the mixture. Initially, I'll add 2 cups of milk and mix it really well. After the flour has thickened nicely, I'm adding the remaining 3 cups of milk, stirring as it cooks. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar, and without stopping my stirring, I'm bringing it to a boil. It's starting to boil. It's beginning to bubble. And off the heat it goes. Now, I'm adding 1 packet of vanilla to the top. And I'll blend this for about 1–2 minutes until it's super smooth. I'm going to use a square baking dish. I'll just wet my dish and pour this amazing cream right in. Let's smooth it out nicely, and once it cools down a bit, we'll pop it in the fridge. For the caramel, let's put our pan on the stove. I'm adding sugar, about 1 finger width less than a cup, and letting it melt. Before it burns, of course. While the sugar melts, I'll take about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a bowl and add 1 cup of water. Let's get this going. And let's mix that cornstarch into a smooth slurry. See, I haven't touched the sugar at all. It's melting on its own over low heat, turning into liquid gold. Now, to this melted sugar, we're going to add about half a cup of water. And wait for it to melt again. Is it possible for it to not get stuck? It's from the physics of physics, and it's the physics of the day. Look, the hardened sugar has beautifully dissolved. And let's give our cornstarch mixture a quick stir. And then, we'll pour it over our sugar. Let's give it a good mix. My gorgeous caramel has achieved a beautiful color, as you can see. Now we're drizzling it over our cake. I'm pouring my caramel over the dessert we took out of the fridge. Spreading it so it covers every bit evenly. Our dessert is ready to go back in the fridge. We'll let it chill for 2–3 hours.